5 most expensive watches in the world. 1. GRAFF Diamonds Hallucination $55 million. World's most expensive watches is the GRAFF Diamonds Hallucination. Unveiled at the Baselworld Watch and Jewelry Fair, this unprecedented watch is made up of 110 carats of diamonds. Diamonds of all colors, including fancy pink, fancy yellow, fancy green, and fancy blue, and cuts, including emerald, heart, pear, marquise, and round, are combined to create this spectacular timepiece. The price of this watch is $55 million. 2. GRAFF Diamonds The Fascination $40 million. GRAFF Diamonds, known by its opulent diamond jewelry, produced the Fascination timepiece, which has 152.96 carats of diamonds and a 38.14 carat D flawless pear-shaped center diamond. The center diamond is detachable and can be worn as a ring on its own. This watch has a price tag of $40 million. 3. Breguet Grande Complication Marie Antoinette $30 million. Legend has it that this watch was originally commissioned for the iconic French queen and fan of life's finest things, Marie Antoinette, by one of her lovers. Crafting this exceptional piece took around 40 years and she was executed before the work was complete, only adding to the romance and enigma of this historic timepiece. Encased in gold, it includes every complication that existed at the time, including a perpetual calendar and thermometer. After being stolen in the late 1900s, the watch is now safely locked away in the LA Mayer Museum but is available for purchase for those with $30 million. 4. Chopard 201 carat $25 million. This Chopard clock may not be subtle, but it surely makes a statement. This $25 million watch is perhaps the supreme work of the Swiss watchmaker, a favorite of both the Listers and monarchy, with 874 diamonds totaling 201 carats in a rainbow of stunning colors. High-end watches appeal to certain people because of their engineering and technical prowess. Others are only interested in the bling. With its 15-carat pink diamond, 12-carat blue diamond, and 11-carat white diamond, this Chopard clock is most likely the latter. But why not, if you can afford it? The fact that it also tells the time is merely a bonus. And if this model isn't right for you, check out our list of the greatest luxury watches for women. 5. PATEK Philippe Super Complication $24 million. This gold pocket watch was created in 1933 by PATEK Philippe for banker Henry Graves Jr. It took 5 years to design and build and features 24 complications, including a perpetual calendar, sunrise and sunset times, and a celestial calendar from Graves' apartment on 5th Avenue in New York. The price of this watch is $24 million.